In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily search for a specific message on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here to go to your conversations list, and now if we want to search for a specific message within a conversation, we need to open up that conversation first. Here, as you can see, I have some messages. And now if we want to search for a specific one, then first off we need to tap right here at our conversation name. And that's where we can easily find this search button. I'm gonna tap on it right here, and that will open up the search where I'm just gonna enter the word hello here and then hit search. That will show me all the messages that contains the keyword I specified, and here also we can see that these messages are from my account and these ones are from my recipient's account. And also here it shows me that the first message was at August 18, 2024, and the recent one was at February 29. So from here we can easily head over to any message simply by tapping on them in that simple way. Here it is. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.